Are there any common issues or knowledge gaps that ITIL for Sustainability in Digital and IT solves? A quick Google search returns billions of results to anyone searching for sustainability. You'll get even more results from searching digital and IT technologies. It isn't just professionals being exposed to these concepts. We often hear them being discussed every day, whether at work, in the news, or at home. The ITIL Sustainability in Digital and IT module helps users develop a practical understanding of terms such as sustainability and sustainable development. Technologies such as cloud computing, machine learning, and blockchains are reshaping the way organizations operate. That's why one can't navigate sustainability and digital transformation separately. But what's the connection? How can we make the digital world more sustainable? Or how can we use digital and IT technologies to make our organization sustainable? There are a lot of publications on sustainability, and there are even more about digital technologies. There are also standards and requirements for IT organizations on how to act sustainably. Even so, there is little material out there focused on what IT organizations can do to contribute to sustainable development. ITIL for Sustainability in Digital and IT is the first publication that directly links key ideas about sustainability within digital and IT. It offers the perfect avenue for users seeking to understand how IT concepts in general can be made more sustainable. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you are interested in free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description. Follow Good e-learning on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for regular ITIL resources such as posters, articles, videos, and study guides.